how to make this tulip bracelet. And for that I have to choose the beads at first. So the pearls and the leaf beads I'm choosing at first, and then I'm going to take the transparent glass beads. Pink glass beads. Lobster clasp. Then I'm taking the jump rings. Scale I need to measure the bracelet, and pliers and cutters I really need to make the bracelet. Now I have gathered all the beads I need to make the bracelet, and this is the most important part of making a bracelet or a necklace. Here we are going to add all the eye pins in the beads. I will show you how to make a perfect loop with pliers. I have chosen a 8mm pearl, and now I'm putting the eye pin into the beads. See, it will look like this. Then I will bend the eye pin with flat plier. Look at my left hand how I have picked the eye pin, and now cutting the extra part I don't need. Then I will make a loop with the nose plier. I will blend to the opposite direction and make a loop. See, I'm already the halfway and it looks like a small S. Now after making the loop, make sure it's tightened and there are no gaps. I have already done with all the beads, and now I will add these beads with the other beads, and in some cases I have to add with jump rings. But where? See here how I'm adding one bead to another bead. Use nose plier to loose one bead's eye pin and then add another bead like this, and then use nose plier to tighten the loop. Now it's done. But as I have already said that you have to use jump rings in some cases where you have to add a charm or an extra bead. First I'm adding the beads, and then I will add the extra beads. Adding the extra bead, which is the green leaf beads. This is kind of a charm which has a hole, so it's easy to add this leaf beads with the jump ring. See how I'm adding it? And now I will add the another bead, which is pink color beads. Close the jump ring carefully with the flat pliers. If you close the jump ring properly, then the bracelet will never break, or the leaves and the charms will never get loosened. Now the bracelet is almost done, but as this bracelet is a free size one, so I am adding the extra charmed rings at the end of the bracelet, and the another side I'm adding the lobster clasp. And now finally the bracelet is done.